Sri Valli Vinayagar temple of Kummangudi was built and maintained by Oorani Siravayal V. Pala Valliyappa Chettiar. Not only Saiva Samayam, Shirdi Sai Baba also incarnated as human on this earth. Our judge A.R. Lakshmanan wanted to build a huge temple for Baba in Chettinadu. The gigantic temple in Devakotai for Shirdi Baba was built by the judge, and it's due to his divine thoughts. Shirdi Baba is blessing people through the temple.
The Sanmarga Sabai was formed in 1909 in Pudukkottai due to the noble thoughts of Nagaratars like Va. Palasa Palaniyappa Chettiar and Va. Palasa Annamalai Chettiar from Sivapuri of Pudukkottai district. The Sabha was formed to propagate the truths and disciplines of Saiva Samayar. We can keep on narrating many such philanthropic activities.
Nagaratar community did not build temples only in Tamil Nadu, but also in unseen islands around the world and are doing the spiritual and philanthropic activities. Kailasa Vinayagar temple of Ilayattrankudi, Perumarudur division, which was built by the Devakotai Dina sector, is a very important temple.
In Nagaratar temples, Shivaperuman shrine is located on a stage facing east and Irevi Sannidhi is located on a stage facing south. Thus, both the shrines are adjacent not only in the 9 Nagara temples but in almost all Nagara temples. Pattinatthar festival is being celebrated every year continuously in Kaveri Pumbattinam from the year 1924. The 10 days festival gets over on the 10th day of Uttradam star in the Tamil month of Adi. Palani Kavadi, Nagaratar did salt trade. They offered a part of their profit to Lord Murugan of Palani. They used Kavadi Kannigai as a way of dedicating their part profit to Lord Murugan. The Kavadi Nadaipayanam was first done from Nerkuppai. Later, the Kavadi Nadaipayanam is being carried out from Nerkuppai and Devakotai. Nowadays, not only Nagaratar community but also people of other communities do the Thaipusa Kavadi Nadaipayanam. Lord Murugan is our ultimate savior. Hearing advice. The main culture in the Nagaratar community is Upadesam Ketal or listening to advice. It is compulsory in their tradition to listen to advice. Even to this day, it is mandatory to listen to advice prior to the 60th year function. Upadesam Ketpadu is a main and important traditional household festival in Nagaratar community.